for another Pinky Pink Wednesday video. I have to say a super huge thanks for tuning in to another episode of Pinky Pink Wednesday. Today, as you can see, we have beautiful Candylicious Pinkness SweetNails LOL OMG girl in her cute little box. Look at her, she's so cute. So what we're gonna do is take this girly and D-box jail her on this Pinky Pink Wednesday. We're gonna take a look at her inbox really quick. Here she is. Oh, she's so cute and pink. It has the LOL OMG up here. It has the little box art with the nails and the little nail polish there. It says SweetNails there, and then it's all open where you can see here on the side, cute box art. Other side, same box art. Here is the back. Candylicious sprinkle shop, so cute. Look at all this stuff. LOL OMG SweetNails. And then on the bottom here is the barcode if you want to try and pick her up for yourself. I got her on sale for $14.99 from Target. She might still be on sale, so try and get her. Check her out. But there is her in the box. From here, you should know the drill by now. We're going to take our trusty scissors here and D-box jail this cutie. These are the ones I seem to always use for this. As I always do, I'm going to spare you all that gook me, cutting her out and all that stuff. So the next time you see her, she'll be D-box jailed and all ready to get on into. All right, here she is, beautiful Candylicious, all out of her box jail. Yay! First, we're gonna take a look at her little accessories. There's a bunch of these little nails that are supposed to be for a little kid's nails. I mean, some of these might fit my nails, but not all of them. But I like that they have the little donut and the little ice cream there. Super duper cute. So there's lots of these. And there's this is the little glue dot press on thing. The cute little fingernail file here for you to file them and make them, I guess, fit your nails better. And then here are the cute little stickers. There's 3 little rectangles full of stickers for you to enjoy. I guess you could put them on the nails or just decorate something with them, but they're super duper cute. And then there's this little, it says glitter pot because it has the, if I can get the lid off, it has the little glitter down inside there. You're supposed to paint your nails and then pour this glitter in there and then put your finger down in there. Let it get it coated with the sparkles. I'm not gonna do that. I might use the sparkles for something, a project in the near future, but I'm not gonna do the nail thing. But I love the little canister in pink, pinky pink. I love that the lid comes off and that it's got some molded details. So this is definitely a cute accessory that I really like. And then we have this adorable confection, and I know it's supposed to be fingernail polish, but I'm not going to use it because I've seen some people use it and test it and it's not good polish, so I'm just going to leave it. Look at all the detail all the way around, and it's in my perfect pinky pink and tealy colors. These are like the perfect color for me anyway. What I'm always trying to tell you about, my perfect pink and my tealy colors. These are so cute, and I love that it has the little thing there where they can hold it and actually use it as like a fancy dancy sundae. So yay for this. Love this accessory so super much. And then there's this one, super Pinkylicious. It's so cute. It's so hard for me to decide which one of these I like better, but just look at the little bear or whatever that is. Cute little lollipop confection. There's a donut, there's ice cream scoops, lollipops that are supposed to be hearts. I love the straw being striped. Look at all the way around. It's decorated and painted. So super cute. These are nail polishes, but I'm not going to use them for that. I'm going to use them as props for the dolls, like they're having great big awesome Sundays. And then last accessory is this cute little, what I call a nail bar, because it's got this here, the little ridges where you can put your finger and paint the nails. Super cute. Look at how iridescent it is, and I love the little drips. These are supposed to be sprinkles. Now I might paint those so you can see them better because they are super cute. Look inside. Then there's some down here. It says mini cool matic, and this does open, and it has these little ridges where you can put the nails in like that and hold them. Super duper cute. Love this accessory. I love all the accessories, and here it is from the back. Just kind of plain, no big deal. But from the front, it's awesome. Loving it. And now for the main event, beautiful Candylicious herself. Here she is, beautiful Candylicious, all up close and personal. She's so adorable. She is so awesome. I barely know where to begin. She's so pretty in all my perfect colors. Straight out of the box, I usually show you her hair and show the stuff I just brushed it and I guess I just brain farted. I'm sorry, y'all. But it did have a lot of product in the ends here. Took me a minute to brush it out in the corners, but the rest of it was nice and soft. And of course, the bangs are a brick, but you're not gonna get them to not be that way if you want them to be this nice and straight. So that's just what we have to deal with. But I do have like a remedy to make them less stiffy. I just kind of do like this kind of thing across them to get them less stiff, see? And then go like that with my thumb. So they aren't as bad, see? When you do that. And they don't get too bad ruffled. They're still nice and straight. They're just not, see? They're not like a brick anymore. And here is the hair, super close up. Oh my goodness, y'all. I wish you had touch-o-vision. After brushing it out, all the product, this hair is so super soft and in the perfect colors, at least for me. This is like pink lemonade, the little yellow side that's so soft and creamy, and then the Pinkalicious, pinky pinkness, beautiful, perfect blush pink that I love on this side. And then to top it off, the like tealy bangs. Is this not like the most perfect doll for me? It so is. I love the colors. I love her high pony like Ariana Grande. So super cute. But I did notice in the illustration, she has like a purple little something around the top of the pony. And then when you get the doll, it doesn't. So I wonder if they omitted that because pricing or something. I actually kind of like it. So I think I'm going to get some purple ribbon and put it on there. So I have to say, love the hair. The hair gets a 10 from me just because of how lusciously awesome the colors are and these pastellies and the high pony and how soft it is. Now let's talk about her face. Oh my goodness. I love the pink eyebrows. So super cute. Love her like lilac-y, soft, purpley eye makeup with the pink on the side. And look at her cute little heart beauty mark. So adorable. Now the thing that was supposed to be in her hair was purple, like this eyeshadow area. So that would have been an extra like purple accent, which would have been cute. I love her tealy eyes and her beautiful candy. I know that's perfect because she's Candylicious, but they look like candy. Her little pink lips, they are so adorable. And mine, I got pretty lucky. Blushing looks great. I don't see any off painting or any like smudges or wonkiness in the eye. Pretty good. There is one tiny little dot of black right there. If you're being super picky, which sometimes I am, but for the most part, I'd say she's 99% perfect in the face. Love her blush, love her eye makeup, love her pink eyebrows, love everything about her adorable little face. Since we're so close up, let's talk about these awesome earrings, y'all. Look at these. I don't know what they are. Are they supposed to be like hamsters or bears or whatever? It's hard to tell. I think a hamster. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they are like in confections. This one is pink with like a little dollop of whipped cream and frosting running down. So super cute. And then on this side, it has the same kind of deal, only in like bluish kind of color, but the thing on top is different. It's little hearts. So super cute. I love the little tail. If it's bunnies, maybe this one's a bunny. I don't know. I don't know what they're supposed to be, but they're cute little kawaii animals in the earrings. And then the top part is like a swirly white kind of deal going on that goes in her ears. Super duper cute. Love the earrings. Yay! Now her adorable little top is super duper uber soft. Really love how soft it is. If y'all had touch-o-vision, you could feel it and feel how soft it is. Love that the cuffs are in a different kind of more cottony type fabric and that they finished it all the way around. Even though it's fur, they did hem it here and then at the neck and everything. Now in the back, it's just the soft little Velcro that we love. Love in this adorable little crop top. So cute, so soft, so my colors, so pastel-licious. Since we talked about the top, let's talk about this skirt. Oh my goodness. It's in that pleathery material, which makes me sad that I know it doesn't hold up over time, but I absolutely love it right now. Love that they use the teal for stitching. It's so shiny, so pinky pink, and so cute little mini skirt. Love it. Not a lot of details, but what details it does have are good ones. It's finished all the way around, and it's one of those that goes all the way up. And she has little purple underwears and the crotch catcher so that it doesn't like float around on her. Love that detail. And now, shoe time, shoesy shoes. I love these shoes. They are so super cute. Look at the little bow detail in pink, and they are two different colors. One is teal and one is like a powdery blue, and I love the little ruffle socks. Oh, these are so cute. Look at the ruffling and then the mesh down here. It's like the stretchy mesh. These are adorable. They're not very detailed, but what details they do have are awesome. I love that they painted the pink and that they have the high platforms with the ridges and the little buckles and everything. There is not much I can say bad about these shoes. These are awesome. I absolutely love these. I love this girl. She is so cute and so me with all these pastel colors. Here are her delicate little hands with the painted nails. Now I think the nails are the lilac color. I've looked closely. They kind of come off maybe pinkish, but I think they're the lilac color. And I'm happy to say this hand is painted very well. Now this hand has a couple little blurbs, but I'm not mad at it. The other hand is painted really nice, and this one is like a 98%, I'd say, good paint, so not too bad. Now let's go over her articulation. She has the side. Not so much the up-downs we've discussed with the LOLs. You try to push it down and it just pops right back up. She has the 360 at the shoulder, up, down, in, out. She has the elbow joint here, up, down, all around. And then she also has the wristy joint here where she can go down, up, all around. And then look at, I didn't notice that before, how detailed the palm of the hand is and the fingers. Absolutely love that. Then she has the in, out, back and forth here, and whoop, 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 bend and snap knees. Let's see. They're usually hard to do. Oh, yeah. There they are. Bend and snaps. Yay, yay, yay. And she also has the articulation here where she can sit. Other than that, that's all she has. She doesn't have any upper body or anything. As for articulation on this girl, I think it's pretty good. I'm not mad at any of it. She's so super cute. So here she is, head to toe, side, front to back, all the way around. Luscious, luscious, lusciousness. Love this beautiful SweetNails Candylicious. So here she is, adorable SweetNails Candylicious. Love, love, love her. Now I do have to say before I forget, the stand is mine. I buy those from Temu. And I get them for my Pinky Pink dolls that don't have them, like Draculaura and this girl. She didn't come with a stand. Usually the LOLs do come with a stand, but this one didn't. She came with all this extra stuff. And like I said, if you didn't know, $14.99 is what I paid for her. She's regularly $30, I believe, but she was on sale for $14.99, so that's what I paid for her. For me, as a dolly collector, I love this girl, love everything about her. There's really nothing I don't like outside of the fact that she didn't come with a stand. Basically, all the accessories I love her coloring, love all the details. Even though like her outfit isn't super fancy, I just absolutely love it. Love the hair, love all the coloring. She has good articulation, even though she has bend and snap knees and some people don't like that. I love it, think it's awesome. Definite thumbs up bye for beautiful, cute Candylicious here. So if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and bunny love to all you wonderful watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. Y'all truly are the best, the most awesome. I have no words to say how wonderful and sweet y'all are and how much I absolutely thank you for all the likes, all the comments, all the sharing, all the wonderful, kind little dolly goodness things you do. Greatly appreciated by me, Christy here. So I have to say, huge thank you and huge dolly love. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together. It grows by the day because of y'all coming along, hitting that button, boop, saying we love your dolly silliness, dolly goodness, and all the good stuff you share. So if you want to become part of all the hauls, all the Pinky Pink Wednesdays, tutorials, DIYs, every little thing in the dolly world that you can think of, I'm going to try right here. Hopefully I've created a fun and safe, happy dolly space where y'all can come and share and get in all this dolly goodness and dolly love. So if you want to become part of all that dolly goodness, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it! Another Pinky Pink Wednesday episode in the books with Pinkylicious, Candylicious, SweetNails, LOL, OMG girl. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling, happy dolly day, and bye y'all!